Hey guys, it's Pegasus Party here, and now it is time to end the giveaway, since I have 5 new subscribers and 5 people entered. I know some of them were already subscribed, but we're going to start the giveaway now. So, like I said, there's 3 winners. One gets this Beautiful Pop Tropica account right here that I was just playing on. One gets an Our World account, which I will pause the camera to log in and show you guys. Okay, so I logged on. Oh yes, and I am part of the Animal Jam crew. And I'm cosplaying as Hatsune Miku, I guess. Forgot about that. Okay, so you had 10 gems, and first new ones has 10 gems and a bunch of items. I'm just going to show the rare items, because the rest you could just look for yourself, because I have limited time on these, but there's 26 rare items. So yeah. So this is what the other person wins. Second place. The Pop Trap goes third place. And first place will win all the items you see on the screen right here. So let's pick the third place winner first. Sorry, I was just randomly going through it, so we don't know if Cake Match won or not. I was just playing with the buttons to make sure it works. So third place is Fountain1203. So private message me. Alright, so their favorite colors are pink and black, and they're a member. Private message me, to get the username and password for the Pop Tropica account. Now for second place, we have Happy Kawaii Cat. So Happy Kawaii Cat, you get second place prize. Again, private message me for, your prize, and I'll tell you the username and password. Then for first place, the winner gets all the items is, drumroll please. Oh, we already got her, so. Drumroll please. The same person again, so let's just refresh this here so we get a better chance of winning other people. Alright, no. The winner is, drumroll please. If this would ever actually. Yeah. I'm just gonna pause it until it goes, so you guys don't have to. Okay, Cake Mash. So the winner of this all, after loading for like a minute, is Cake Mash. So Cake Mash, next time you're online, jamagram me and put something bad on trade, and you will win the items. So yay, everyone! The third and second place, private message me, and Cake Mash jamagram me and put something bad on trade. So yeah, guys. So I hope the winners enjoyed their items and their accounts, and bye.